Hello, I'm Tavan from Fix the World Morocco, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Orgonite garden pucks. How can Orgonite help your plants grow? Orgonite uses orgone energy, which was discovered by Dr. Wilhelm Reich, and when he made these orgone accumulator boxes, he found that when you took samples of seeds inside the accumulator, they grew better, healthier, stronger than seeds that were put inside control conditions. Now we fast forward to today and people are using Orgonite to make their plants grow healthier and stronger. Here's an example of how Orgonite can make your plants grow healthier than if you didn't have Orgonite. In this example, you can see a bed that did not have Orgonite and then versus a bed that did have Orgonite. So on the left side, you have the flower bed that does not have the Orgonite, and then on the right side, there's the flower bed with Orgonite. And here you can clearly see the difference. So today, we have some special offers for our new Orgonite garden pucks. You can get the garden pucks one at a time or in sets of 2 or 4. And this is perfect so that if you only have space for potted plants. And we also have a special gardener's urban garden pack where it's 4 pucks and a pyramid. Now this is perfect if you're limited for space and you might have some space in your on your rooftop or in your patio. Now for larger gardens like community gardens, we have our Orgonite community pack. This pack has 4 pyramids and 8 of these garden pucks. It's perfect for larger plots of land, up to, let's say, an acre. So don't delay, click the link below and start growing bigger, healthier, and better plants today.